So hello, assalamu alaikum. My name is Manan. Today we're going to discuss about the dot product and cross product. Okay, so it's basically a topic of physics, and today we're going to discuss that. So first of all, we need to understand that what are these. First of all, we are taking dot product. Dot product means the product between no sorry, the product of two vectors. Two vectors is scalar. It's called dot product. Okay, so what does it mean? Like for example, here we have written vector and vector into vector is equal to scalar, so we'll get the dot product. When we do this, like vector into vector is equal to scalar, so we get cos theta, we get this angle. For example, if we take cos 90, cos 0, so both will become like both has a value, different value. Cos 90 is equal to 0, cos 0 is equal to 1, so these are the values of this. For example, you can take the example of f is equal to w is equal to f dot d cos theta. Okay, we'll remove the cos theta, it will become w is equal to f dot d. Okay, so basically this is how the formula of work is derived. As you know, we have in the geometry, in the physics, in the chemistry, we have some kinds of what we say axis. Three axes we have: x, y, and z. Okay, so for example, I'm not gonna draw this. Okay, for example, if you multiply I into I is equal to j into j is equal to k into k, so it will become 1. For this example, if you multiply I into j into k is equal to k into I, so it will become 0. So this is the briefing of the dot product. Now we have the cross product. The product between the product of, you can say, the product of two vectors is vector. Two vectors is vector is called cross product. Okay, so what does it mean? Basically this means that vector cross, like for like into vector is equal to vector. Okay, so it generates the uh, angle sine theta. For example, we have sine theta, sine 0, and sine 90. So here we have sine 0 is equal to 0, sine 90 is equal to 1. Okay, so for example, you can see the example of torque. Torque is equal to r into t, and we have to put this bar because it's a vector quantity, and the determination of the vector quantity is we have to put a bar on that. Okay, so we have taken the example as well, so then we have generate the angles. Okay, so as you can see here, I into y is equal to j into j is equal to k into k is equal to 0. Here we have 0. Remember one thing in dot product and cross product, this thing is not the same. Like if we have the answer in least here, and if we have the answer in least here, we'll get the answer highest in this side. Okay, I into j is equal to j into k is equal to k into I is equal to 1. So this is how it works. Okay, today we have only done the briefing of that. In the next video we'll discuss about the numericals of that, then we'll discuss further more things. Thank you so much.